Obi has had enough. Peter Obi don't vex. He don't tire. He don't tire over the online constant disrespect and trying to tarnish his image. And he don't tire for one particular guy. This guy. Very dark man's lawyer. I don't know whether I'm still very dark man lawyer or because I hear saying a very dark man don't follow each other. They don't quarrel. But he say don't tire for this man. And he has dragged this man to court, Deji, for constant harassment, constant defamation of his character, and so many other things. He's not asking for money. I never see where the right money put. But he's just asking this guy to apologize and retract his defamation statement over the years towards Peter Obi. So this is Peter Obi, and this is the statement. They say demand for retraction and apology for defamatory publication against His Excellency, Mr. Peter Obi. We act as solicitor to His Excellency, Mr. Peter Obi Godfrey, former governor of Anambra State, candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 general election. It has been brought to our client attention that through your social media handle at Deji on the platform X, formerly known as Twitter, you have repeatedly published false, malicious, and grossly defamatory statements concerning him, calculated to injure his reputation before right-thinking members of the Nigerian public and the international community. Aside these earlier defamatory posts on your X handle, some of which dated back to 2022, our client attention has been drawn particularly to your recent publication on 21st August 2025, wherein you falsely allege against him that Peter Obi can only be president of the obedient on social media. You see that my one vote, I will rather give it to Tinubu than the leader of the mob. Political extremists who do not want Nigeria to criticize their presidential candidate have no place in our politics. Deji said he will rather give his one vote to Tinubu than give it to Peter Obi, who is a political extremist. So because of that, but let us be honest, nobody need to tell you now, say this particular guy here may be very dark man lawyer. This particular guy here, he dey move like this. He dey move like this. We don't really understand where it stands for. But we know for sure he is particularly focused on Peter Obi matter. Let's go to his X account. Let's go to his X account, Deji. I don't know if this is Deji. Let's go to his S account. Deji. Let's check his S account so that you guys will know. He's particularly focused on Peter Obi's matter. Particularly focused on Peter Obi's matter. Everything about what he posts about, mostly, is all about Peter Obi. Everything. Himself and also Reno Mockery. They do not make a post. They do not make a post without referring to Peter Obi. They do not make a post without referring to Peter Obi. Everything he talks about, Peter Obi this, Peter Obi that, obedient movement and everything. So let me know, guys, is Peter Obi wrong for finally deciding to sue this guy? Or do you think he has overdone it, that he should just continuously ignore this guy? Is Peter Obi wrong for suing him? Let me know, guys. Let me know exactly how you feel. We have other things to cover, but let me know. Do you think it's wrong for suing him, or he could have just simply ignored him? And meanwhile, Sowore just buried Tinubu. You know, say Tinubu recently came out and said there is no corruption in Nigeria. Sowore is among those bold activists who came out and immediately told Tinubu that it be like say Tinubu does a drink too much. According to what he said, he said the president is drunk. Let's listen to it. Political corruption and other things that has brought Nigeria down. I thought he said the president stopped drinking. Yes, for sniffing, yes. I think the president was high or something. We have to investigate. Because I'm sure that even he himself couldn't have believed that he ended corruption. When, as a matter of fact, his corruption personified. I'm sure if they check his presidential jet, they will find a lot of corrupt people inside of it. He traveled with them. He himself is the leader of the most corrupt political party in Nigeria today, and also the leader of a terrorist party. Oh, so how can he go and say that you ended corruption? Tell the president to stop sniffing. Okay, what's your take about the move to increase the salaries of politicians, lawmakers, the presidency, and every other? It aligns with what we have always said. That people who do the least amount of work want to get the highest amount of pay. What is it that the politicians themselves are doing that justify asking for increment of salary? If a country is governed like this, as their employers, we are looking to fire them. How can you fire? How can you increase the salary of people that you want to fire? It is part of the impunity that has become part of leadership. Impunity and a sense of entitlement that must be ended. Yes. Thank you so much. Okay, that's a show. He said, he thinks say they say president don't stop to the drink. For him to make that statement saying that he ended corruption in Nigeria, there is no corruption in Nigeria. Well, many people think differently concerning that corruption. Even yesterday, somebody wrote me and vowed, was boasting, was talking that corruption no dey in Nigeria, and he can beat his chest that there is no corruption in Nigeria again ever since Tinubu came into power. So everybody just get their different thoughts on this particular corruption matter. You understand? They get their different thoughts about this particular corruption matter. So, well, let me know exactly how you feel. But Sowore is a really bold man. Which person now go fit come outside talk say Tinubu, e be like say Tinubu na drunker? Understand? Which person, which person for Nigeria go fit boldly come outside? A well-placed person. Only few can boldly come outside to make such statements. And Sowore is among those few people. I'm telling you. Only few can do that. Only few. But it's fine though. Let me know exactly how you feel. And meanwhile, I thought Osun State Governor, that's the person of the dancing senator, Adeleke, when he met with the president alongside himself, alongside Davido and his uncle, I thought when they met Tinubu, they may have ironed out finalized some relationship. Because up till now, they say they withheld Osun allocation. Up till now, Osun allocation has been withheld. Why? We already know that it's political connection. That's the reason why Osun money has been withheld. It is not right. It is wrong. Osun is not just about one man alone. It's not about the Adeleke's family. It's about so many other well-meaningful who have rights, Nigerians. So why will you be punishing other Nigerians in Osun State because of some political issue with the Adeleke's family? And we were told that Adeleke family are the one Adeleke, the elder brother, that is Davido's father, Davido, and this man are the one bringing money from their personal pocket to fund the salary of workers. But we do not know if it's loan or if it's free. Most certainly it's not free. It is a loan. But it's not right. So now, they say Oshun dragged federal government to Supreme Court over withheld allocations. So let's see what will happen.